Every Igbankwu or traditional Igbo marriage ceremony has the same guests. I have identified them, I have mapped them, and this is your field guide. Enjoy. Number 1, that auntie who knows every song. She's seated in the first to third row, emphasis on seated. She knows every chorus before the band sings it. She knows every cultural song. She knows every Afrobeat song. She knows every pop song. And once the bride comes out, she's the best with her energy. She's sitting, but you can feel the vibe. Oh, by the way, all the Ashebis in the party, she has the insider details on all of them. Number 2 is that uncle who wants the mic. He is not on the program for a cough, not to talk of a speech. Nobody asked you to give him the mic, but somehow, through the crowd, he has managed to locate the MC, me, and is making meaningful eye contact to give me the mic. Number 3, that ambitious brother who is hustling, trying to get the bride to pick him. Usually these ones, they look the part, right? Like he has the right attire, flowing regalia, traditional. He looks good, like a gentleman, until the bride comes out. You know when she comes out with the cup in hand trying to locate her groom? That's when the lion in him will come out. It's not clear if it is the wine that he's pitching for or if it is the bride or both of them. But whatever it is very clear that he's pitching hard. Number 4, this guy or this girl records everything in the event. So usually they were sent by one auntie or by one uncle who, is too big to be moving around in the front carrying phone. But they are methodically, diligently recording everything. They never take their face up from the phone. Everything is experienced through the lens. At the end of the day, they will not post one blurry video and only 2 people will like it, including their mother. Number 5 is our favorite uncle, Ogada Gidi Odogu. This is that elder who insists that everything must be done the traditional way. Like back in the day, this person would have like a full head and chain of gray hair, but now they come in different shapes and sizes. Sometimes they are clean shaven, sometimes they don't even have any beards at all. But one thing that they are wearing is some kind of traditional, maybe a cap or the akupe, or something. And they are insisting, passionately arguing with everybody on the table that kola nut can only be broken into 4.5 pieces. Not 7, not 2, not 4, 4.5. Because that's how our ancestors did it. Simple. Different energies, different personalities, different people. And guess what? I love every single one of them. If you recognize yourself in any of those personas, no shame. Identify yourself. Just expose yourself. Confess. There's no need to hide. If you have an event coming up and you want an MC who would love all your guests, regardless of the shapes and sizes they show up to the event in, you're looking at the right person. So send an email, send a DM, or use the link in the bio, and let's get talking.
Mic check 1 2.